sings and dances. Cousin, I won't make you watch any of it tonight, but she's pretty good at it. Let's hear it for Brittany Squeals in the red. Brittany Squeals. And in the white silk, this pig, she not only sings and dances, but she got a TV show too. Yeah, some of you kids might have heard of her. Let's hear it for Hannah Montana in the white. And in the blue, this pig, I'll be honest with you, I have absolutely no idea why she is famous or why we should have ever heard of her. Let's hear it for Kim Kardashian swine in the blue. And in the yellow. Oh, this is Cousin Shaner's favorite pig. She's got pictures of this guy everywhere. Got the t-shirts, the magazines, everything. Let's hear it for Justin Bieber in the yeller. Right, that's the joke. All right, everybody ready for a pig race? Yeah. Woo, where are you guys going? You was my loudest cheers. All right, Bugle Boy, call the post. And there. Oh, who's it gonna be? Oh, look at that. It's Kim Kardashian swine taking the lead. And Kim Kardashian swine by a nose. Well, like I say, set your gates first. Should have done that earlier. Now I gotta come up with more pig jokes. These people ain't gonna like it. You still got one more gate to set. Have you guys seen any of our other shows? You've seen how well they work for my normal brother El Royal. They know when there's a new person they can get away with stuff. Pigs are very intelligent animals. I'm running out of time. Just put 2 silks on. Yeah, just load them up red, white, and blue just like normal. Nope. Oh, he's gonna go. Oh, there we go. Like I say, right after the show, Shane will be down there. She's a lot better at giving camel rides and selling feed. Don't be scared to get on the camel if you see her down there by the camel. Wearing the red silks. I don't even know who I got now. I'm so flustered myself. Oh, I know. This guy's done more races than anybody else. He's done more laps, that's for sure. Let's hear it for Dale Swinehart Jr. in the red. Woohoo! And in the white, here's another pig. He's known for his braids and his beard and his guitar music. And nowadays he's known for the other stuff he does. Let's hear it for Squealy Nelson in the white. And in the blue, I gotta be honest, folks, don't forget the cookie. I gotta be honest, folks, I have no idea whether this pig is gonna run or not. I mean, she won't let us know. I guess we'll find out when the gates open whether she's decided to run or not. But let's hear it for Swillery Rodham Clinton in the blue. And in the yeller, here's another pig. He lived not too far from here for a while, up in Chicago, I think it was. And then he's moved on to bigger and better things. And I bet just about everybody here has heard of him. Let's hear it for Barack Obama in the yeller. You guys ready for a pig race finally? All right. Bugle Boy, calling the post. And there. Oh! Who's it going to be? It's Hillary taking her lead. Brock coming around the corner. Oh, who's it going to be at the finish line? It's going to be number 2, Squealy Nelson by the hair of his chinny chin chin. Well, folks, thank you much. I hope you enjoyed watching that as much as we enjoyed doing it, because we had a ball up here. I tell you what. It may not have been perfect, but we sure had fun with it. We'll have another one up here tomorrow at 2, 4, 6, and 8. Have a great evening out here at the Lake County Fair. We're going to let this last set of pigs play a little bit. Do you guys want to pet them some? Go over there and get you some of the great food on down right over here. Alligator tail, jambalaya, maple bacon sundaes. Go over there to Aunt Martha's, get some roast beef. Go check out the free petting zoo with all the exotic animals in there.